Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Alvi. So today we are going to talk about the new OnePlus 6. This is the phone with all new features. So let's start the video. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you can see my latest videos. At first, let's see the promo. So then, you are seeing the promo. Let's see the features. OnePlus 6 Summer with OnePlus. Oh, okay, I will give the link in the description box. Let's see. Fast and smooth. The speed you need. Brace through apps with little to no load times, or shift quickly between gaming, working, and browsing. We didn't design our features to win speed test. We did it because we want to enable you to do more in less time. Okay, display more to see. Experience our most impressive display ever. Whether you are reading an article or browsing social media, our 19.9 display lets you to see more at once. We are taking about the display, talking about display. Okay, you can see the whole display. Okay, let's see. Dual camera, capture in one time. Nail your shot before it slip away. With a dual camera system built for speed, take a clear photos with optical image stabilization using a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual camera. This is where high resolution meets high speed. Okay, they are talking about the speed of the phone. You can see the it's so smooth. The dual camera is here. Okay. Oh, now the fingerprint scanner is in the back. Okay, that's nice. Okay, design. The OnePlus way, crafted with precision and care. From the inside of every port of the curvature of every button, great product design looks beyond the surface, never still. Okay, look at see the surface, the back, it is the Gorilla Glass. The whole body is uh, water resistant. Sorry, water resistant, guard against rain. The OnePlus 6 is dust, splash, and water resistant, and waste tested under controlled laboratory conditions. Dust, splash, and water resistance are not permanent conditions. Normal wear and tear by decrease instant resistant over time. Do not attempt to charge or less the USB Type C port of a wet OnePlus device. Please refer the support page for drying. Okay, it is also water resistant. You can see. Okay, let's see the other. Okay. Oxygen OS, do more with less. To create a fast and smooth experience, Oxygen OS only offers meaningful features and smart software optimization. Great software works for you instead of making you work for our software. Okay, here this software is, okay, let's see. Bullet wireless, best boots of life. The OnePlus pays seamlessly with our new Bullet wireless earphones. The Bullet wireless set a new standard for fast charging, offering up to 5 hours of listening time on a 10-minute charge. Find out how wireless Bullet can refine our condition. Okay, here the wireless bullets. I will make a video on these bullets. Okay, water resistant occasionally or may experience flaking. Okay. So here is the phone. I will give you a video on it about the hammer test. So please watch the full video. Until please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Thank you.